To access the all-in-one flight controller, I removed 4 screws. Next, I prepared my Nano Crossfire receiver. I tinned the pads and connected 4 wires. This is how I wired up my receiver to the flight controller. Next, I put heat shrink tubing on the receiver and installed the Crossfire Mini T antenna. I positioned the receiver in between the battery bay and the all-in-one board. Then, I used a zip tie to fasten the antenna down. I cut the 4 wires to the right length while keeping my diagrams in mind. I stripped the ends of the wires with my thumbnail, tinned the pads of the flight controller, and soldered the wires on. Then I connected a battery through a smoke stopper as a precaution. Everything was fine, so I reassembled the P16. I pressed the bind button and connected it with my radio. In beta flight, I made sure the serial RX was switched on for UART 2. Then I saved and rebooted. In the configuration tab, the receiver mode should be serial-based, and the receiver provider should be Crossfire. After a save and reboot, I set up my switches, and then I was ready to fly. One final note, the antenna that I installed was a little bit bulky. I've since found a smaller, lighter alternative, which I'll leave a link to in the description. Thanks for watching, don't fly alone, and we'll see you next time on Ready, Set, Go.